Okay? Make sure don't drop biglaan ha. Kasi you don't want to hit your hips on the floor. Okay? Kaya nga tayo nag-prep roll para ma-practice extension ng arms to soften your landings. Okay? Sige, ready? Going to the right muna. Going to the right. Nakapwesto na ba? Okay, ready? Go. Nice one, Sean. Very good. Good job, everyone. Good job. Ready ulit. Take it slow. Quality reps. Take it slow. Ready? Go. Good. Ingat lang, Gabi, ha? Gabi, ingat. Huwag mo ibagsak si shoulder. Okay? Baka maano ka sa balikat. Okay? Sige, one more. Ready? Go. Good. Good job. Okay. Good job. Okay. Piece of advice before tayo mag-proceed sa next. Yung speed, mapapractice yan. Pero yung form, kailangan i-master yan. Okay? Yung speed, again, mapapractice yan with constant repetition. Pero yung form, you have to practice that. Okay? Again, like what I've said during the start of the training, this session is for you guys to familiarize again, to get the feel of the movement. We don't need you to do it perfectly right now kasi may time pa tayo next week to do that. Okay? Just get the feel right now and for Friday. Then proceed tayo with correcting you guys. Okay?